Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to the Polymer Update Daily News Shorts. This is Neeraj Rawal from the Polymer Update Mumbai office. This newsreel is sponsored by Leela Polymers, leading global trading house in polymer and petrochemical products. A Polymer Update group company, Metals Update, has released the Indian Copper Outlook 2020-21, Copper Out of the Pit. The report contains all that you need to know about the Indian copper market. In the refined copper consumption, production and price forecasts have been provided till the year 2020-21, and one-time purchase gives you access to all future updates in 2017. So hurry and buy your copy today. Crude oil prices on Tuesday edged lower, while WTI traded at $53.14, down 6 cents per barrel. Brent finished at 55.92, down 9 cents per barrel. Despite lower crude values, open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday were assessed at $489 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a marginal gain of $3 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Propylene prices on Tuesday drifted lower in Asia. Propylene prices were at $925 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day fall of $5 per metric ton. Prices were at $945 per metric ton CFR China levels, a drop of $10 per metric ton from Monday. The price fall was attributed to bearish upstream costs coupled with persistent weak buying interest in the region. Benzene prices in Asia inched lower, with prices assessed on Tuesday at $925 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a fall of $10 per metric ton on the day. Reports of dull demand sentiments in China and bearish downstream SM rates together pulled prices lower. SM prices on Tuesday tumbled in Asia. Prices were assessed at $1375 per metric ton CFR China levels, a sharp drop of $40 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Prices were at $1365 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day fall of $25 per metric ton. Lackluster demand in major markets like China and weakening upstream benzene values supported the price fall. Today is Wednesday, a day when the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments from Polymer Update. The Polymer Update editorial team has forecast a mixed trend in PP. In Far East Asia, prices of PP may rise by $10 per metric ton, while in Southeast Asia, prices of PP are likely to fall by $10 to 15 per metric ton. Prices of HDPE for Far East Asia are expected to remain steady. Prices of HDPE are expected to decline by $25 to 30 per metric ton in Southeast Asia. LDPE prices are expected to remain stable in Far East Asia, while in Southeast Asia, prices may fall by $35 to 40 per metric ton. LLDPE prices are likely to remain steady in Far East Asia and in Southeast Asia. Prices of PVC for China and Southeast Asia are expected to remain stable. Polymer Update is South Asia's first petrochemical market intelligence platform. Over the past 17 years, the company has helped create benchmark price assessments for various commodity polymers. Polymer Update's proprietary methodology is widely respected and has built a strong enough credibility to help several thousand industry leaders make business-critical decisions on a daily basis. Feedback shows that most of Polymer Update subscribers save large amounts of money while basing their decisions on the intelligence we provide. To get real-time polymer prices and daily news updates, subscribe to Polymer Update today. Thank you.